Coach Lou here. Actually, nandito kami sa The Dink Ticket. Bagong court dito sa Valenzuela. Sobrang ganda. 6 courts. So, mag-start ngayon ng training and drilling. So, always remember guys, shoulder high, let it fly. Come on. Let's proceed. Forehand, mid-court, balik. Backhand, baseline. Backhand, mid-court, then balik. Okay. Go. Buhat, ulit. Isipin mo lagi ito. Isipin mo lagi yung height ng net. Para kada hit mo, kailangan kong itaas yung bola. Huwag lang basta palo. Game. Ulit. Game. Yan. Mid-court. Very good. Backhand. Sige. Mid-court. Very good. Forehand. Mid-court. Backhand. Buhat. Sige. Follow through. Go. Yeah, follow through. 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 Sige. Nice. Very good. Yan na. Yeah. Last 5. Okay. Very good.